Introducing a revolution in the digital space step into a realm of insanity profitable business online, built especially for your thriving success. Imagine a world where creating your own products isn't necessary, a realm where the focus is on you, sans the product creation hassles. Bid goodbye to time-consuming customer service issues. Our platform handles it all, setting you free to scale your business. Forget about product delivery worries. Our seamless system ensures instantaneous delivery, letting you rake in the profits worry-free. No more scary, techie sales funnels to navigate. You're looking at a no-complication zone dedicated to your growth. You don't need to hire, train, or manage any employees. All the hard, techie, time-consuming tasks have been taken care of. And just like that, you're all set to start getting leads and sales at lightning speed, even if you're a newcomer or haven't made a single dime online yet. Welcome to a smarter, faster world of business online.